internet to show really sonic lips making sound. We also tagged animals, so we put an acoustic tag on the animal. And we needed to be very precise to have the tag on the nose, and that was also receiving through many years of tag animals.
Now, what did we know and what didn't we know about how toothed whales make vocalizations before this study?
So what we definitely knew is that the sound is somewhere in the nose. Of different evidence, it's very hard to film them, and so people have tried to film these especially behind frame rates straight. And the theory is like a completely new organ that's evolved only in these animals.
This study focused on